Hey, what's up, everybody? Today I'm going to talk about Matrixport, and after that, I'm going to tell you which product have I invested in. And of course, yeah, on the thumbnail, you can see it is a 10k worth of investment. So, yeah, basically, if you're not subscribed to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, and leave a thumbs up to the video. And let's get started. So, before we get started, I'd like to challenge you to the world's largest keto challenge, which is a health supplementary diet drink, which can help improve your life in many ways. If you're interested in, like what I always say, health. If you have health, you definitely can make more money. Therefore, if you are interested in basically having a better lifestyle, and of course keto can help with enhance your better high lifestyle. If you are interested, just click on the link, and after that, from there, just watch the video over here, and after that, you'll understand what is keto all about. And let's talk about Matrixport. So basically, a brief summary on Matrixport. What is this company about? And after that, on YouTube, I have not seen like many people talking about Matrixport as well. So basically, basically they are a startup which is backed by Bitmain, and after that, you can see they have managed strategic partner, and after that, this over here gave me the confidence that yes, I'm able to profit off on this platform, and after that, I'm willing to trust them with my money, like on Celsius Network, on Crypto Earn, and after that on BlockFi as well, or this passive income stream. I'm confident in giving them my money, and after that, from there, rolling my cryptocurrency over there. So I'm going to talk about it. So over here is the application itself. So Matrixport, you have to download the application, and after that you can access to the DeFi smart pool and the wealth. So basically this is the two main product that I would be always talking about on the platform itself, because basically they also have other product like their dual BUSD, and after that their dual currency, which is their flagship product, and after that in basically on anywhere on the market, you do not see this kind of investment product. And after that, I would say it is quite interesting. If you're interested, just watch the review that I've done previously. And after that, we are going to talk about the DeFi wealth and the smart pool. So basically over here, you can see this is hot flexi smart pool. So we're going to talk about this first. So basically over here itself, I have basically this over here, they accept Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, USD, Tether, and after that USDC. And after that over here, you can see I only have 0.1. Why is that so? Because over here you can see the max investment is 0.1 BTC per user. Therefore, you can see once you have placed in the money, it is on daily, it is going to show you how much is the APY. And after that, from there, it is accumulated through hourly. So over here, you can see since day one of my 0.1 I have placed in, which is on the 18th of November, till today, which is the 22nd of November. So I would say around 4 days, I have already accumulated, basically over here, the returns this year, 0.003, which is, you'll say very little, but I would say, look at the amount. It is only 0.1 Bitcoin, which is worth roughly 900 to, roughly around $1,000 worth of crypto that is being set into this Matrix DeFi flexi term short smart pool. So basically what they do over here is flexi term to withdraw and invest, and you can withdraw and invest anytime you want. So basically, if let's say today I want to withdraw it, I can just click on withdraw and then click on the max. Everything is going to be here, the principal and the yield is going to be over here, and it is very transparent, and they broke it down for you to see how much you're going to get back and stuff like this. So this is one thing that I love about Matrixport. It is very transparent. And after that, over here you can just see your history. Over here is going to tell you on this hour you have the yield is how much, and after that from there how much you have been you have accrued from this investment, and after that you can withdraw it anytime. So basically over here we can learn more about the flexi term pool I'm going to share with you. So basically compound revenue and best selected DeFi projects, and after that your funds will be directly or used as collateral for borrowing stablecoin to be invested in third-party DeFi protocol. So basically it is farming, and after that including YFV, and after that Curve, and basically all these projects that is out there that you have heard of from DeFi is basically, if let's say you do not, cause why do I even use Matrixport, and I do not even bother on the Ethereum platform. I just use everything on the Ethereum network and convert my BTC into WBTC, and from there just transfer around, and after that make this possible. Because first of all, the funds that I'm going to invest is not really let's say not I would say if you want to do it on your own DeFi project, I would say 1k is a good start. But to be honest, if you want to earn even more, I would suggest maybe you can do a 10k 10K worth of Ethereum or USDC, and after that from there basically you must understand how does the whole DeFi project work. So how can you do lendings, and after that from there you have to account into the calculation of the fees, because the Ethereum network fees is quite a lot, which I would say one transaction like this transferring is it's gonna cost you easily $1 to $2. And if you are gonna interact with smart contract and stuff like this, I have seen fees that goes up to around $10 to $20. So this is one of the cons that I would say on the DeFi project. If you're gonna do it yourself, so it's a DIY. So you're gonna do it yourself, I would say the fees is gonna be a lot. And after that, from there, I would say Matrixport is just a platform or one stop away. Just put your money in, and after that, from there, they do all the process for you. And from there, you can see over here, Matrixport will help you sell mining receipt and revenue, and will be sent to your balance every day. And after that, so the risk is over here in the event, because we know that DeFi project is very new, it's a new technology, and after that there's many unforeseen smart contract hacking on the platform itself. So we have seen that smart contract being manipulated and being hacked and stuff like this, and loopholes that is all around. So the risk is just on the DeFi project itself, so it's on a smart contract. So yeah, some company they say that they have audited, and after that, from the audits company, they say it is deemed that it is so far secure and there's no loopholes that they can find off. So it's basically within their means. They can't find anything that it is that hackers can infiltrate or manipulate the smart contract and stuff like this, but it is just within their means. So definitely there's many hackers out there. And of course, we talk about the skill level of the hackers. If the hacker is very skillful and he wants to hack into a smart contract, it is possible. It is not 100% guarantee that it has been audited and it is safe. Therefore, this is one of the risk factor I would say on the DeFi project. So if you're going to do it yourself, yes, you can do it yourself and just account the fee and stuff like this. But if you're like me, I would say, to be honest, I do not have much time on researching on DeFi, and I only have the borderline knowledge on what is DeFi and how can people earn from it. It's basically providing liquidity onto DeFi, and after that, from there, farming. So basically, what is farming? It's basically farming the, let's say, Uniswap. You can farm the Unicoin, and after that, YFI coin and stuff like this. You can, basically all this is money, and after that, you can do it yourself. But to be honest, if you want to do it yourself, and you have to first, it is time consuming to understand everything, and after that, the next thing is about the knowledge that you have on DeFi, and of course, how well do you know about the Ethereum ecosystem, so you can interact with the smart contract and stuff like this, and do not make any mistake. Because if you make a mistake sending wrong to the address or approving something that you do not understand, basically, your funds will be it is vulnerable to be lost and stuff like this. So basically, I trust Matrixport because basically I know that how do I perspective this is basically everyone pool amount of money, and after that gather into this DeFi smart pool, and basically they take the whole lump sum that they have collected, just invest it for you, and after that the return is much more higher, I would say, because they are doing it in bulk, and after that one transaction fee is gonna cost like maybe $3, but within that bulk orders, maybe let's say they have 50K in their holdings, 50K they can just transfer it around and make maybe like within use this 50K to send one or two times, and after that from there to earn interest. It is going to cost only $6, and within that hour itself they can easily make back the $6, and after that issue us profit. So you think about the cost efficient wise, I would say basically Matrixport is I would say smart in doing this. Just get all the funds, and after that interacting the smart contract with you, and of course with their analysis, and after that stuff like this with professional people that have already been in the field and has been interacting with all this from a day-to-day basis, compared to us retail investor that we have time. I mean, we do not have time. For example, we need to work, and after that basically take care of family and stuff like this. I would say you do not have time to master everything. So what I always like to tell people all around is if you do not understand, just find an expert. You just understand for the on the borderline how does it work and stuff like this, and you can seek help from experts to help you grow whatever is there. So the next thing I'll talk about is the wealth. So basically how much I've put in, so I'm going to talk about it a moment. Basically I exited the app. So over here you can see on the DeFi smart pool itself, a moment. So on the DeFi smart pool itself, I have around 2K worth. So basically it's 3 Ethereum and 1 Bitcoin. So over here you can put in Bitcoin Cash, which is 5 maximum, and for US Tether and USDC they are accepting 1k maximum per investment. So yeah, basically I would just say if I have this amount here, I will just put it in, and after that for the smart pool, so basically this is no lockup contract, you can withdraw it anytime you want, and after that compounding interest is basically every not compounding interest, basically the interest that they give out is every hour, and after that I would say it is quite interesting. So everything is real time over here, I mean hourly time, yeah. And after that from here 2k is on the DeFi smart pool and the wealth itself. So over here you can see I have 5 holdings. So over here the estimated value of my say this holding over here, it is 9,715, and after that add up together it is around 11,000 into this Matrix platform. And I will tell you why do I even put this over here, because one over here, so yeah, so over here you can see right now they have this DeFi intelligent floating, and after it is redeemable and it is automatically renewable. And after that, basically what does this mean? So basically I put it into the Bitcoin one, and over here you can see so the quota is there's 264 Bitcoin left to be placed into this. So once this amount has been reached zero, it is going to close. And after that, over here, the deposit and principal before it's a fundraising period. So basically, it's going to end on the 22nd, which is today, at 7 p.m. And after that, over here, you can see this is the projected income. I mean the APY every day. And after that, yeah, basically the lowest it went was 24%, and I would say highest it was 80%, and lowest is 24. And yeah, basically you may even reach 0.1%. So this is the benchmark. The benchmark that they have set is from 0.1 towards 80%. And after that, yeah, you see 80.11 is the highest, and the lowest, I would say the lowest that I've seen over here, it is only 20 something percent on the past record. So over here I have some Bitcoin being settled. So over here, so you can see over here I have seen 21%, the lowest, and over here I have placed in 0.3 Bitcoin, and within the six days of it I have earned 0.00129. So within 6 days I have earned around $12, I would say around $10 plus minus. And yeah, just for 6 days. And after that, how much is my principal? 0.3, around $3,000 worth into it, and within 6 days I earn like $12. So you can see, yeah, the interest that they're paying out is definitely more than the bank. And of course this is a new technology and it's much more riskier, but to be honest, I'm a risk taker and I'm willing to, basically on trading itself it is hard to trade, and I would say not all trade is always correct. And yeah, basically I can show you some of the trades that I've done, and you can see, you can understand from what I'm saying. So over here you can see on the Deribit itself, I have recently just closed an order. So over here you can see an order over here, I've earned 0.15, 0.015, which is $100 within I would say how long did this contract took me? Around 10 days plus minus. So over here you can see on the 9th, so basically it took quite some time to earn this amount, but because this amount you have to take in the risk that you must know where the market is going and stuff like this. So I do not know, and of course I just basically trading. I was trading on it, I would say, using the chart and stuff like this to lower down the probability. And something like this, I would say it is time consuming as well. You have to look at the chart, and then you have to draw the chart, and you must know where's the market going, the bullish side or the bearish side, stuff like this. And after that, I would say over here on Matrixport itself, they are easily returning 20% per annum, and I would say why not? I would say the lowest was like lowest is like I would say 20%. But on, if you want something much more stable, I would say Celsius. Celsius, they give you like 6.5% on your Bitcoin. Stuff like this, I would say that this is a new technology, and after that, why not just make profit out of it if you are able to, if your risk appetite is high enough. So basically mine is high, I would say, not really that high until that I put the whole portfolio inside this Matrixport itself, but I do not want to do that because I would like to diversify. So I have some basically I have some holdings on Celsius, BlockFi, and after that CryptoEarn, and after that lastly it is on Matrixport, and after that basically all this over here, it is, I would say, quite good, and after that it's paying quite high. So basically over here I have one USDC and I placed $1,000 in, and you can see over here the yield that they have give is 31%. And after that, I have done the renewal thingy. So basically, I'm going to renew into the USDC DeFi Intelligent, which is 0.1 to 80. And after that, it is after 6 days, it is redeemable. So how does this Smart Intelligent thingy work? I'm going to explain. So let's click on any one of it. Let's use USDC. So over here you can see Matrixport selects high quality DeFi projects to help you conduct liquidity mining. You can deposit fund and withdraw it. Withdraw it with revenue at any time, earn compound interest for each cycle, and receive high returns from your best DeFi project from their best DeFi project they have seen. And after that, from your invested funds will be directly used as collateral or borrowing stablecoin. And after that, yeah, basically the DeFi stuff that if you understand, basically you can borrow, and after that from there earn from sometime borrowing crypto you are able to earn as well. And after that from there, yeah, basically it's just a new technology how it works and stuff like this. And after that, please note that order with the end of investment cycle or date as early as redemption 4. So basically from 1st to 8th October, it is going to be settled, and after that, yeah, basically you can get your money out. So over here in on the 23rd of August, 9 a.m., it is going to end the fundraising, and on the 12 p.m., they are going to start accruing interest. And after that, you can redeem anytime after 23rd of 12 p.m. 12 a.m. And after that, the maximum you can earn is 18 per annum. So if you are going to hold longer, like let's say over here, investment help will maturity will be automated renew with interest. So basically this compounding. So on the 29th, let's say you're not gonna touch you're not gonna withdraw from the 23rd or towards the 29th. It is basically going to renew, and after that from there you are able to withdraw, and after that compound your interest. So straight away after over here, let's say you put in $1,000, after $1,000 that's put in on the 23rd, and after that you have held it all the way towards 29, and after that at the 12 p.m. mark, it is going to automatically renew your profit with your principal with profit, and after that it's gonna be sent into a new how do I say this USDC DeFi Intelligent thingy, and after that it's gonna do the same thing. So basically it's gonna hold for 6 days, and after that it's gonna keep doing the 6-day contract stuff, and after that basically fundraising and stuff like this, the whole procedure. Every 6 days it's gonna close the fundraising and stuff like this. So basically it's gonna keep compounding, and eventually you are making compound interest on it, on top of it. And after that, if let's say the risk over here is very simple, one, the DeFi project they have place their fund in get hacked or as a scam or something like this. These are the risks that is occurring on the DeFi platform. So Matrixport is just middleman to help you do all this, and of course definitely we are bearable for the. So we hear the fees details. So in the additional of the revenue sharing and the management fee, so basically the management fee is I would say 10%, and after that whatever they have earned is 10%, and eventually you're still making profit, and you're just paying 10% towards the professional to help you with it, and after that you save time and stuff like this to think about it, and I would say it is reasonable. And after that management fee corresponding with different product mentioned, the revenue model you need to bear, the gas fees, slippage loss, trading fee, loan, interest, and after that basically all this mentioned is onto the profit that is potential out there. So basically all these slippage losses, the trading fee, the loan interest and stuff like this, it is everything done by them, and after that they are just basically using the funds that they have gathered to do all this stuff, and after that everything costs fees on it because it is on the Ethereum platform. But using 50k compared with your $1,000, you can use $1,000 to do everything like this, but eventually the fees is gonna eat you up because your capital is not big enough to cover the fees within a short time period. So basically Matrixport is smart enough, they understand the product, they understand how does everything work, so they just gather funds, and after that from there they just invest on behalf of you, and after that from there basically 50k worth they can keep doing like transaction and stuff like this within this. Let's say within 1 hour they are able to recover the fees because the capital is much larger, and after that they can make money in fast scale, and I would say cover the transaction fee fast as well. So if you are interested, just sign up under my link, and after that you can, basically the two platforms that I have been using is only DeFi Smart Pool and the Wealth. And of course for the dual currency, if you are interested, you can learn more, and after that from there you can, it's very simple, just click on any one of it. And example this, so over here, let's say you put in 1,000, it's very simple. If the price of Ethereum is 330 and below, you'll receive Ethereum. So if the settlement is above 330, you'll receive USDC. So this is just very straightforward. So either you trade your USDC into Ethereum, or your USDC growing more USDC. So this is, I would say, like a win-win situation. So the minimum is 80 USDC, and of course the tenor is the lockup period, and the yield they are giving out is 0.31 for this contract itself. So it is quite a lot, I would say. Everything here is, I would say, you are able to make money, even though if the market is down, or the market is on a bull side, and I would say stuff like this. But for professional, you will say, like, maybe if you're a professional trader and stuff like this, you will just say Matrixport is for beginners. And of course, but for DeFi, I would say Matrixport, it is, I would say, a game changer. And why I use this platform is because basically it's backed by the strategic partners. Over here, it is all from, I would say, the large players in the cryptocurrency market, and it's backed by big men. And of course, everything mentioned over here is somehow related. And basically they are a big company, and basically from China. And I would say I trust them, and after that, that's why I put in so much money onto the platform itself. So if you are interested, just sign up, and after that just deal with whatever it is there. You can put in on the DeFi Smart Pool or the Wealth. And of course, on the Wealth itself, you can see over here they have many contracts that is out there. Just bear in mind that if you have lots of fun, you can diversify onto the others, like, I don't know, the Curve mining. And after that, sometimes they have some mining, which is the YFI or something like this. Different names for the because basically what they invested in is different platform out there. So for the DeFi, I would say the smart DeFi intelligent floating is basically they are investing all rounder, basically everything that they can find on the DeFi network itself. The application, they are choosing the best, I would say the highest possible to earn, and after that making the profit as well. But sometimes if you focus on one platform itself, sometimes it may give you the highest return. Like, let's say on Curve, over here they are giving 31%, and after that over here it is 39. So basically you can see there's a difference. And after that, you have to see the platform of DeFi, which one is paying out the highest and stuff like this, account everything in. So if you're gonna read onto what is DeFi and understand how does DeFi work and all the platform out there are tons of platform out there. And to be honest, it's gonna be very time consuming unless you say you're not working and you are filthy rich and you just want to waste your time. I mean, not say waste your time. You want to trade your time to do all this to earn lots of money. Basically you can do it. No one is faulting you on that. And after that, I'll just say the smart way to earn is basically let the professional handle it, and you just understand the fundamental. Why? Because you need to understand how does this thing work and roughly get how they make money, so you won't get scammed. And after that, you can understand, like, basically it is time consuming and fee. It's gonna cost a lot of fee because of the Ethereum network and stuff like this. So make your own due diligence, because I have made mine, and I have asked myself this question: how can a company make me money? And after that, how well do I understand this project, and of course the risk on this project, and how much am I willing to lose? So I asked these 4 questions to myself, and all the answer is I'm good with it. So my risk appetite is, I would say, large, and I would say I do not mind losing everything over here. And after that, towards you, maybe you can only afford to lose $100. Then I would say just put in maybe $90 or below, because just remember that whatever you are investing, if you are going to invest in something, just have this mindset. You put in the money there, eventually it's going to be zero because of risk factor in and stuff like this. Just tell yourself the worst case scenario that you may see a $0 on your account, and after that, basically, it's gone. And after that, once it's gone, does it affect your next month, or maybe let's say 6 months later? Is it going to impact you financially, that it's going to cost you that you are not able to eat, and after that not able to pay the necessary needs, stuff like this? If you have asked yourself and it is that you are gonna get affected because of this investment losing out or something like this, I would say don't invest. You just go and earn more, and after that from there, if you're comfortable and you have enough for yourself, then you invest. I would say that. So that's the end of the video. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, and leave a thumbs up to this video, and see you on the next one. Peace.